In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete database in Notion. By the end, you'll confidently remove a database you no longer need while avoiding surprises or accidental data loss. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. If you're already signed in, great, you'll land in your workspace. If not, click Login on the home page. Notion supports several sign-in methods. In this walkthrough, we'll use Google. Click the Google option, then choose your Google account from the prompt to continue. If you use a different method, the rest of the process is the same once you're in your workspace. After you're logged in, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to delete. You can find it from the left sidebar, the quick find search, or any links you've saved. Make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you belong to multiple organizations. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page and looking at the exact database you intend to remove. If you're unsure, consider duplicating the page first as a temporary backup. Once you're viewing the database, open its menu. Depending on your layout, you may see an options button commonly represented by a series of dots. If the database is inline on a page, hover near the top edge of the database block to reveal its controls. If it's a full-page database, look for the menu at the top right of the screen. Click that menu to reveal actions for this database. In the menu, select Delete. Notion will ask you to confirm so you don't accidentally remove important information. Read the prompt carefully, then click Delete again to finalize. If you don't see the option, you may not have permission to delete content in this workspace or on this page. Reach out to an admin or the page owner to adjust your access. That's it. The database will be removed from the page. In most cases, Notion sends deleted items to trash, which means you can restore them later if needed. Keep in mind that permanent deletion from trash cannot be undone, so always double-check the database name and location before confirming. If the database was shared, deleting it may affect collaborators who rely on it, so it's a good idea to let your team know ahead of time. You've just learned how to safely delete a database in Notion. Sign in, open the page, access the database menu, choose Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.